With my own children, they were learning to read through a book, which actually can break their confidence and then make them resistant to wanting to read. They've got to know the skill before getting to the book.
So we've got a lot of folks who are intimidated. They're scared and they're worried because they see, okay, my kid can't quite do this yet. And at some point, they've got to be able to read these chapter books. How in the world do I bridge that gap?
And I think that's where a lot of resources have fallen down for families, is they don't give that micro progression of skill building and that teaching of the reading phonics lesson before actually getting to the book.
And I see this all the time in early readers or in alphabet books. A lot of times when we're teaching kids, we'll put a picture of a xylophone, or we'll have this secondary sound that the letter doesn't make very often. And so the kids get confused. And they say, okay, I thought the sound was this, but you're teaching me X says Z. And that makes learning to read really, really complicated. When we're just getting started, there's 26 letters, we teach 26 sounds. The primary sound the letter makes is all we have to teach. And this book is a great example because it uses the primary sound, X, that the X makes. To do that, it has to put the X at the end, B, A, X. But it's there, so the kids can understand the X, that sound it makes is